Yeah, that's a beautiful moon. I mean, it's huge. I'm on my way to work. Alright, see you in a bit. This is Saucy, the Towboat Chef. I'm on my way home from work. It's Monday, and just gotta say, this is gonna be a long week, only because I wanted to hurry up and be over with and get ready. But I'm gonna be doing a lot of getting ready for. Gosh darn it! I got back windows open. And close back windows. Anyways, I just want this week to get over with because next week is Lolapalooza. I can't wait to get there. It's going to be fun. I got a lot planned. There's going to be the breakfast, the potluck. Papa Texas is going to have some wings. I'm going to be making them barbecue baked beans to go with it for Wednesday night. So if anybody is going to be there and you want to come by, get with Papa Texas before you leave to see if you need to pick up some more wings or bring a side dish. And we're going to grill some wings. He's got some great sauces to go with it. It's a garlic parmesan. So it should be fun. Let's see, Thursday. I know there was something planned. I can't remember off the top of my head. I just know that we're going to be busy every single day. I do have to let everybody know that there is little to no service. From what I understand, by the cabins, you might get 2 bars of service, but where I'm at, there is no service at all. I will be doing a lot of recording. I'm going to meet a lot of people. Can't wait to meet Old Farmer's Wife. I can't wait to meet Margie and Jeff from RV and Ashes. Let me list a few other people. C-Dubs, RV Frugal Gal, Lola especially, and of course I'm going to be camping with Strong Adventures at their site. If you're going to be there, I'm going to be at Site 109 with them. Papa Texas is right next to us in Site 110. RV Rebel Gal, she's going to be, I believe, in 111. Let's see. There's also a new couple that's new to YouTube. You ought to check them out. So please go and subscribe to them. They just started their channel. They could use all the support. It's called Gypsy Pair. They've already done some really nice videos. But please, all my subscribers, go check them out. I believe that they're going to do well with their YouTube channel. So you may want to check them out and see everything that they do. I gotta hang on to the camera because I ain't got it connected to this thing when I put on the brake, or it's gonna go flying. Whoop, it's turning too. Let me fix this real quick. Okay, it did turn off, so I'm back. I think. Hold on, let me check. Oh yeah, again, blooper. I know you all love my bloopers, so I like it that you just put up with it. Let's see. We're going to be having some campfires going. Of course, you know all these campfire stories. There will be no cameras going at that time. that's the time we let loose our hair, okay? And we're going to have a lot of fun. There's going to be fishing, kayaking. There's going to be demonstrations. Strong Adventures is going to be demonstrating I believe it's how to cook with a Dutch oven, and I'll make sure I take some video of that. You ought to see his grill setup that he made himself, and he is bringing it with him. If you haven't seen it, go to him and Rhonda's page from Strong Adventures. Check out their videos. Let's see, who else? God, there's so many people that are going to be. It's 8.5 hours for me if I just drive straight. But that means no stopping for gas, no stopping for food, and definitely no Mother Nature stops. Well, I'm an old woman. There's going to be Mother Nature stops. So it'll be at least a 10-hour drive. I'm going to leave at 4 o'clock in the morning next Tuesday morning. And I won't get there till probably about 2 or 3. So I got to set up my tent. Let's see. I will have, like I said, I will be doing lots of videos. But the only thing is I won't be able to post anything because, again, no service. But when I get back, I'll be doing a lot of videos. Let's see, what else? Just put it this way, I am very excited. I can't wait. And I do apologize for not having much cooking videos out, but stay tuned to the end of this video. I will show you a sneak peek for Cast Iron Wednesday. You all might get a good laugh out of it. It's supposed to be a little bit funny, I hope. Like I said, I'm on my way home. I've already cleaned up my grill. So that's drying off, and it says it's supposed to rain tonight, but you know, there's not a freaking cloud in the sky. I don't know where this rain's coming from, or maybe that's this weekend, later this week. Alright, anyways, I want to thank you all for supporting my channel. For those that are new, if you haven't subscribed, please do. Also, click that notification bell, and that way you'll be notified when I do get, especially when I go back out on the boat. I do post a lot more videos of my cooking. I am off the boat right now. Also, everybody, put that thumbs up or thumbs down. Leave a comment. I do respond to all my comments. Alright. Anyways, I'm almost to my exit here, so I'm going to cut this short and sweet. It's probably been about 15 minutes. Anyways, I might just do some cutouts along the way. I might cut out those bloopers. Alright, I know, I said that, and you're going to say, she cut them out! Now we want to know. So I'll save those bloopers for a major blooper fest video, okay? Alright, thank you again, everybody. You have a great night, and and be safe, and I will check back with you later. Bye-bye.